What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin Renegades. And I am just overexcited today with crypto because everything is mooning. There is so much. It's like almost overwhelming my mind. But I have to go through all of these cryptos and figure out where is their money to be made. At the end of my last video that I made, I let you guys know that I have $1,500 that I'm looking to invest in a crypto. So please let me know in the comments below what crypto I should invest in. Should it be an RLC right here? Or we're going to look at a couple more cryptos as well after that. But this video is going to be RLC. And then at the end of the video, we'll look at a bunch and see, hey, which one should I pick? And we're not going to have an answer at this video, which one I'm going to pick, but we're going to let you guys comment, and then I'll take what you guys say. Maybe you'll tell me cryptos I don't know about. Try to make sure they're like at least in the top 200, because if it's a crypto I haven't heard of, I'm probably going to ignore it maybe. But try to make them in the top 200 and make sure that there's still some meat on the bone. But yeah, so let's get into the video. I noticed that this is one of the top movers of the day. If you go here and look, it's 22%. It is about fourth in the row of top gainers of the day. I just did a video about XYO, which is one spot above this one, and now we are into this one. And I've never really even looked into this token at all. I never knew exactly what this was. So it is iExec RLC price. So iExec RLC. Okay, let's look what this is. I'm kind of curious. RLC. Okay, I don't know what the iExec part is. Okay, maybe we'll find that out later. RLC is an Ethereum token. Oh, here we go. For the iExec cloud platform, in which users can monetize and rent computing power and data. iExec enables developers to power applications on what is described as a decentralized marketplace for cloud resources. Okay, that's pretty cool. So it's a cloud resources platform. So like, when you store your data in the cloud, just in case you lose your phone or whatever, you can go into the cloud and restore that data. This is like that, except on a blockchain, and it's for whatever data you need to use to store. It could be your phone data, it could be business data, files, whatever you need to use. So the first decentralized marketplace for cloud resources. So there's a cloud. Well, this is a decentralized blockchain cloud. So that's pretty cool, man. I like it already. I didn't know what this was, and I'm liking because of what it is. It's a need. Anything that it has a real world application to it on the internet can now be converted into blockchain technology and tokenized, and a cryptocurrency made of it. So that's what's cool about these projects, that they are actually use case scenarios where they need them. And so the iExec Oracle Factory, create your own oracles from scratch in minutes and directly from your browser. No specialized blockchain or coding knowledge needed. Create your own oracles now. The first decentralized marketplace for cloud resources is what we said, an innovative market network where everyone can monetize their applications, servers, and data sets. For developers, as a developer, you can use iExec to overcome blockchain limitations by executing your computations on a new distributed infrastructure. So it's for providers as well. As a provider, you can rent out your machine's computing power, monetize it by executing tasks for applications. And for token holders, and this is what I'm going to be, and I actually might do providers as well. I'm looking into that because I have a lot of extra data power that I want to monetize if I can. So that would be cool. So as a token holder, you can get into the world of crypto economy by trading your RLC tokens whenever you want. Yep, and that's what we're going to be looking into. So the iExec token RLC is the native token on the iExec cloud platform. In exchange for RLC tokens, users can utilize the network to rent servers, data, and applications. So you can buy the tokens from here. I'm going to be doing it on Coinbase. iExec Marketplace introduces a new paradigm for cloud computing. Cloud resources can now be traded on a global market, just like any other commodity. Instant access to a large capacity of computing power from the provider offering the best rate. That's pretty awesome. iExec offers CLI and JS libraries for developers, execute off-chain computations through the iExec decentralized cloud, and overcome Ethereum scalability issues. You know, that's with having not enough transaction speed per second. That way the gas fees rise. You have to wait for your transactions to go through or pay astronomical prices. This solves some of that scalability issues. So decentralized applications powered by iExec are featured on the dApp store. Developers can monetize their dApps and increase their visibility, while users can execute these applications thanks to the marketplace. Data wallet. Data providers can monetize their valuable data sets or AI model data sets with the highest level of security. Pretty cool. So this is a way developer and creator friendly platform, guys. This is for people deep into the rabbit hole, guys. Like kind of like me. I just love everything like this. I am a huge nerd when it comes to anything blockchain, anything crypto, and I'm starting to get anything like, you know, I want to start learning a code, possibly even. Like I'm really interested in, you know, just the whole blockchain brought me into the internet age even more. I was never that much into computers until blockchain technology. Now I'm like, okay. And it isn't because I didn't like computers, it's just because I didn't understand. The coding and stuff is so, or it used to be so super difficult. Now it's probably gotten easier. It's still difficult, but yeah. So you have things like this that can, you know, integrate those people who already have those skills with a real world infrastructure. And this one, you can also store data and all of that as well. I just think it's a roundabout great coin. Now let's look at the prices. So this is what we do on our videos. We take a look at them and then look at price. Is it good to buy? It went to 667 right here this month. That's the highest. Let's look at the year. We did go to 1985. So that's more than a 4x that we still can go from just earlier this year. So I think this might be actually a good buy-in. Yeah, 1985 is the all-time high. We're only sitting at $5.25 right now. We did go up to $6 earlier today, and then we have since fallen. So where would I look to buy in at this right now? Well, since this is a bull market, you would have to just make a call. It would be a risk to buy in this right now, because the normal, let's look at the week. Yeah, the normal is right around $3 to $4 lately. And the month, yeah, 3, and we're at $5. So it's really risky to buy this right now. But if you can catch it on the pump still while it's pumping, you know, that is the only time I would say, hey, maybe look into it. And it kind of has seen a bottom here. I don't think this looks like something I would want to buy right this second, but I'm going to keep an eye on it, possibly. I'm not putting my $1,500 into this right away. So now let's go look into what we're going to do with this $1,500. I'm sorry on some of my videos, guys. I know I say I'm going to do a bunch of stuff and then we get going one direction. My videos aren't always scheduled, the live streams especially, like sometimes they go another way, but my uploads normally stick, you know, right on script, because I can upload, I can edit and all that. Now live stream, that is live, and there's not a lot you can do with that. So but anyway, AMP didn't ever go down to the price I wanted to, because I was going to buy back in. Now the graph is staying stagnant at 98. I was almost thinking about putting in a purchase graph. Should I, guys? I don't know. Look at Ethereum. All-time high for Ethereum, babies. That's what the live stream is going to be about tonight, is Ethereum. I love it. It's going to all-time high. I made a video yesterday saying Bitcoin was on its way to a new all-time high, and we're going to see it. Ethereum just had another one. This is the second time since Bitcoin has had it once. So I think Bitcoin is on its way to a new all-time high again. But Dash, I'm looking not for Ethereum or Bitcoin, just anything but those two. And Dash, I just traded traded it for Litecoin over on Abra so I could get some trading under. I might just trade it back to Dash because my Dash went up a bunch today. So I decided to trade it over for Litecoin just to get, because the more trades you have on Abra, the more of those tokens you'll get too, along with your referrals. So if you make trades over there, just, it costs $1 or $2 every time, but you might get more tokens for it. I don't know if it's worth it or not, but I tried at least a couple trades over there. So, but BAT, yeah, that's pretty high. Zcash, Digibyte, you can't buy on here. Horizon's down. Algorand, man, I want to buy it, but I mean, there's not a lot of meat left on the bone, it doesn't seem like, but maybe there is, I don't know. Tezos, same thing, not a lot of meat left on the bone. Cosmos, same thing. Litecoin, almost the same exact price as Dash right now. That's kind of why I traded it straight across. DAI, perfect at $1, love it. Dogecoin hasn't done much for me lately. New Cipher. Now, I'm almost thinking about this one, possibly, guys, because, look, if we go back last week, last month, 235, and we're at 92, right? And if we blast up again, I think it will, too. I really think it's going to go up again, guys. I'm thinking about putting some money in here at a dip. So 92, man, we are at a dip, kind of, huh? 89 right there. Let's look at the week. 86. Okay, I might do a new video on New Cipher, guys. I think this one might be it. Okay, let me know if I should, guys. Should I pull the trigger on New Cipher? I think this is the one I'm going to do. It just partnered with, well, that was Loopring. Never mind. Okay, Loopring partnered with GameStop, so never mind. Scratch that. I was like, they just partnered with GameStop. No, that was Loopring. But it has only a $636 million market cap right now. Yeah, it is a low cap gem. It's number 62. Let's see what's going on. Developer update. Abiotic, Alice, and DKG. I have no clue what that is. But New Cipher. Let's see. Threshold Cryptography Network. Run a node on the news. Okay. Yeah. So that one is a possibility. Look, it's already up to 93 cents and it hasn't blasted lately. Guys, I think this might be the one. I really think that if I can get it at a good price, this one is going to head back up towards, another higher level. I really do. Just with everything that's happening in crypto. And I think I'm going to bet my $1,500 on it. All right, guys. That being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin.